Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in CSS grid, add columns with grid template column. Simply creating a grid element doesn't get very far. You need to define the structure of the grid as well. To add some columns to the grid, use the grid template columns property on a grid container as demonstrated below. Here we have a container class with the display property is set to grid and grid template columns property set to 50 pixel and 50 pixel, which means it will create two columns with 50 pixels each width. This will give your grid two columns that are each 50 pixel wide. The number of parameters given to the grid template columns property indicates the number of columns in the grid, and the value of each parameter indicates the width of each column. So the task for this challenge, give the grid container three columns that are each 100 pixel wide. So let's give the property grid template columns three values each of 100 pixel so that it will form three columns of 100 pixel, and we can see here it changed the columns into one column into three column and each have 100 pixel of width. So run the test and it's successful. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.